In this video, you will learn how to load, operate, and adjust the MaxiFeeder. This is the MaxiFeeder on the DS-64i. The instructions are the same for the DS-64i. Notice that it must be installed on the first station. This is called Station 1. It is available for both automatic and special feeders. All MaxiFeeders come with this dial and lever. This dial and lever is used to adjust the special feeder. In this example, we have an automatic feeder installed. This means we will not be using the adjustment dial. Now, we will learn how to adjust the side guides. Here, you can see the dial that opens and closes the side guides, and these are the metal side guides. The icon on the side of the machine, near the dial, indicates a small piece of paper and a large piece of paper. For a large piece of paper, you will open the side guides using the dial. For a smaller piece of paper, you can close the side guides by turning the dial the opposite direction. This adjustment ensures a proper fit. Next, you will see the backstop on the end of the machine. This piece features a sliding extension. This can be used for a longer sheet of paper. This comes with all MaxiFeeders. Another detail of the MaxiFeeder is a spring-loaded locking lever. This holds the backstop in place to allow the motor to drive it, or you can disengage that lock. Now, you can move the backstop anywhere you would like to. Now, we will learn how to load the MaxiFeeder. Refer to your system specifications to learn what you can put into the feeder. In this case, we will load a multicolor buck slip as seen here. This document is 94 millimeters tall and is about 55 pounds. The paper is relatively rigid, but we will load 3 pieces to give it some rigidity. We then load the stack of paper into the backstop. Let's go over the side guide adjustment. Bring the side guides in as tight as possible, but it will still allow the material to move. As you can see, the material has bowed or flexed. Gradually open the side guides until it lies flat on the MaxiFeeder. Next, rotate the adjustment knob by about 1/8 of a turn. The test is simple. Check if the material fits. If it drops under its own weight, as it should, the side guide setting is correct. Insert the remaining material and lightly tap it to distribute evenly across the MaxiFeeder. This is the proper setup. The material should be spread neatly, not clumped together or stacked like a solid block. The same principle applies to BREs or any other material being loaded. You can slide it around one more time to ensure that your material is good to go. The MaxiFeeder is motorized and will automatically advance to load the paper. Do not push the backstop all the way forward to attempt manual loading. The MaxiFeeder is designed to load itself. Let's demonstrate this on our system. A job has already been programmed. We're going to do a 1x job, which will show you what the MaxiFeeder looks like when it runs. Verification shows that 1 buck slip was pulled and 1 sheet of paper was programmed, properly nested within the fold. During first-time operations, including new installs, begin by placing only a small number of pieces on the MaxiFeeder. This step verifies that the feeder will continue to load until it is empty and all material has cleared. Now, I'll press the Start button so we can watch and confirm the process. As you can see, the MaxiFeeder has pulled out all the material. At this point, you can reload the feeder with as much or as little material as you prefer. Since it is designed for maximum capacity, it's best to load it generously. Be sure to leave a slight gap so the motor can push the material forward into the feeder. Avoid overloading to the point where the backstop cannot move. Alternatively, you can load it halfway and repeat the demonstrated steps. Now, let's press the start button to observe the MaxiFeeder operating under normal conditions. One final check is to ensure the material is being pulled through. The MaxiFeeder will make a slight forward nudge to refill itself. This minor movement is critical for continuous feeding. It allows the feeder to push material forward or reload the machine. The operator can release the backstop by holding the material and adding more with the other hand. If uncomfortable with this method, stop the machine, remove all material, and reload as previously demonstrated. You may also notice that the MaxiFeeder operates with a galloping motion, visible throughout the video. If your MaxiFeeder does not gallop out of the box, adjustments can be made to achieve proper operation. This concludes the MaxiFeeder loading demonstration.